this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time here, just hi, welcome. Hopefully you enjoy what you see. And today, as you guys saw on the title, we are coming along with an open swap for a Galentine Valentine loaded envelope, and hopefully you guys can participate. We're only going to have a limited amount of people that we want, or that we're gonna have spaces for on this Galentine's swap. And now for this one, I will link a few of our previous videos from our Christmas swap, so you guys could go over and check them out if you're not too sure what the loaded envelope is. So for this swap, we are asking for US only at this moment. We are asking that you are 18 years and over. We are asking that you are an active YouTuber and are willing to make videos, and that make videos because we want to go ahead and show everybody and make sure everybody gets their credited for their beautiful creations. So what does it also consist of? This loaded envelope swap will consist of 3 to 5 handmade embellishments, sets of 4. So if you have a basically it's going to be a set, and each set's going to consist of 4, and it has to be about 3 or 4 of them that you handmade. You could stuff it with extra goodies. Now it does have to fit a priority mailer, and this is what the priority mailer, bubble mailer that we're asking for. The only reason that we want to make sure we are able to track and it is ensured that the person will get it. And then so it also has to be, what we're gonna be doing is you're gonna create it to your own style. Okay, it's not gonna be molded to a certain person. It's going to be your own style, and it has to be completed by January the 30th. By January the 31st, I will be drawing names and see who is going to get what. You are not going to show the video until after everybody has received their loaded envelopes. So and it also has to be mailed by the 5th of February. So how are we going to draw names? Well, we're going to do a live drawing, and this is an example of what it's going to consist of. We are going to draw, let's say we're going to put the names, which for now I'm going to set that as an example as A, B, and C. So I'm going to put those in a little box, shuffle them around, and I'm going to draw. So let's say I drew D, right? D is going to be the first person, and then I draw A, so D is going to give to A, and then I draw another one and it's a C, so then A is going to give to C, and then the last one of course will be B, and B will end up giving to the first person. So the last person will always give to the first person. So it's basically like a domino effect. So what you're doing is creating, not knowing who you're going to give it to until I draw names on the 31st of January. So I am hoping that we have a few participants that would like to join, and we are wanting to at least have 10 participants. If you're interested, I will link Tree's email down under the description below, so you guys can email her. Now I do want to say, if you comment on here, it's not going to be a valid that you are going to be selected. So do make sure you email Tree. Reason we want you to email Tree is we want to make sure we have everybody's emails, and hopefully you guys can participate. So once we have our 10 participants, we will title close. So there you go. Thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. Hopefully I explained everything in good detail. If not, I will probably bring or have another video coming up explaining it a little bit more in detail. So anyways, thank you, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.